Get ready for 25 of the best Cyber Monday kitchen deals in 2024. Out of the hundreds of offers, I've handpicked 25 money-saving Cyber Monday kitchen deals that you won't want to miss out on. Links to each limited-time Cyber Monday deal are in the description box. This Cyber Monday, you can snag the Breville Barista Express for just $549.95, down from its original $749.95 price tag. That's a whopping 27% off, saving you $200 on this premium espresso maker. You'll feel like a pro barista with this sleek machine on your countertop. Its built-in conical burr grinder lets you go from whole beans to espresso in under a minute. No need to juggle separate equipment. It's all right here in one stylish package. The digital temperature control ensures your shots are extracted at just the right heat. You'll get consistent, balanced flavors every time. During the Amazon Cyber Monday deal sale, you can get the Vitamix Propel 750 blender for just $399.95, down from its original price of $629.95. That's a hefty 37% discount, saving you $230 on this high-performance kitchen workhorse. The Propel 750 comes with a generous 64-ounce container, perfect for whipping up family-sized smoothies or batches of soup. You'll love the convenience of the 5 preset programs, taking the guesswork out of blending smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Cyber Monday shoppers, get ready for a sizzling deal. The Instant Vortex plus 10-quart air fryer is now available for just $89.95, down from its original price of $149.99. That's a whopping 40% discount, saving you $60 on this kitchen powerhouse. You'll love the versatility of this air fryer. With 7 cooking functions, including air frying, broiling, baking, and roasting, you can whip up a variety of dishes without switching appliances. The Even Crisp technology ensures your food comes out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, using little to no oil. During the 2024 Cyber Monday sale, you can buy the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker bundle at half price for just $79.99, down from its original price of $159.99. That's a whopping 50% off, giving you a chance to revolutionize your beverage game while keeping some extra cash in your pocket. The Terra model boasts a modern design that'll look great on your kitchen counter. You'll love how simple it is to use. Just push a button and voila, sparkling water in seconds. No more lugging heavy bottles from the store or dealing with flat soda. Cyber Monday has brought a sizzling deal on the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware set. Originally listed at $199.99, you can now snag this 17-piece set for just $149.99, saving you a healthy $50. The T-fal Ultimate set is a cook's dream come true. You'll find everything from saucepans to fry pans, a griddle, and even a steamer insert. The hard anodized exterior promises long-lasting durability, while the titanium nonstick coating ensures your culinary creations slide right off the pan. This Cyber Monday, you can own the Philips 3300 series espresso machine for $549.99, down from its original price of $799.99. That's a whopping 31% off, saving you $250 on this coffee lover's dream machine. The Philips 3300 brings the cafe experience right to your kitchen. With just a touch of a button, you can whip up espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, and even iced coffees. The Latte Go milk system is a game changer, creating silky, smooth froth for your milk-based drinks without any fuss. During the Amazon Cyber Monday sale, you can get the Breville Barista Touch Espresso machine for $799.95, down from its original price of $999.95. That's a sweet 20% discount, saving you $200 on this premium coffee maker. The Barista Touch is a coffee lover's dream. You'll feel like a pro barista with its sleek touchscreen display that guides you through the brewing process. It's perfect for those mornings when you're still half asleep but craving a perfect latte. The rapid heating system is a game changer. You won't have to wait long for your caffeine fix. It reaches the optimal temperature in just 3 seconds. For Cyber Monday, KitchenAid is offering an incredible deal on their popular Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. Originally priced at $449.99, you can now snag this kitchen workhorse for just $329.95, saving you a sizable 27%. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is a baker's dream come true. With its 5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can whip up enough dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. The 10-speed settings give you precise control over your mixing, from a gentle stir to a high-speed whip. This Cyber Monday, grab the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 cooker at a steal. Originally priced at $169.99, it's now available for just $98.99. That's a whopping 42% off. Don't miss this chance to revolutionize your kitchen routine. The Instant Pot Pro is a game changer for busy home cooks. With 10 appliances in one, you'll save precious counter space and streamline your meal prep. Pressure cook, slow cook, saute, and even make yogurt, this gadget does it all. This Cyber Monday, the Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer Plus is a steal at $79.99, down from its original $139.99 price tag. You're looking at a sweet 43% savings on this kitchen marvel. The Chefman Air Fryer Plus is like having a mini kitchen on your countertop. You can air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate with this single appliance. Its 10-liter capacity means you can whip up family-sized meals or prep a week's worth of food in one go. During the limited-time Amazon Cyber Monday deal sale, you can get the DeLonghi Magnifica Start for just $499.95, down from its original $799.95 price tag. That's a whopping 38% off, saving you $300 on this premium espresso machine. The Magnifica Start simplifies your morning routine with its one-touch brewing system. You can whip up espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos at the press of a button. The built-in conical burr grinder ensures you're always using freshly ground beans for maximum flavor. For Cyber Monday, you can buy the Emeril Lagasse 26-quart extra large air fryer at a fantastic discount. Originally priced at $189.99, it's now available for just $149.99, saving you a whopping 21% off the list price. The extra large 26-quart capacity means you can easily cook for a family or entertain guests. Imagine whipping up a 12-inch pizza or roasting a 6-pound chicken with room to spare. The dual-speed fan ensures even cooking and that perfect golden brown finish every time. During the 2024 Amazon Cyber Monday sale, you can pick up the Ninja Air Fryer XL for just $89.99, down from its original $159.99 price tag. That's a whopping 44% savings on a kitchen game changer. Say goodbye to greasy fried foods and hello to crispy, guilt-free favorites. With its 5.5-quart basket, you can whip up enough fries or wings for the whole family in one go. No more cooking in batches or waiting for everyone's food to be ready. For Cyber Monday, you can own the Vitamix Propel 510 blender at a jaw-dropping 44% off its original $499.95 price tag, bringing it down to just $279.95. That's a whopping $220 in savings. The Propel 510 isn't your average kitchen gadget. With its robust 2-horsepower motor, this blender pulverizes even the toughest ingredients into silky smoothness. You'll say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to velvety perfection. Cyber Monday has brought a sweet deal on the Breville Infuser Espresso machine. Originally priced at $599.95, you can now get it for just $349.99, saving you a whopping 42%. That's $250 back in your pocket. This sleek black sesame machine isn't just a pretty face. It's packed with features to help you craft cafe-quality espresso at home. The pre-infusion function gently expands your coffee grounds before extraction, ensuring a more balanced flavor in every cup. During the Kitchen Cyber Monday deals sale, you can snag this Toshiba microwave for just $109.99, down from its original $139.99 price tag. That's a sweet 21% discount on this kitchen powerhouse. You'll love the pre-programmed sensor menu that takes the guesswork out of heating common foods. Just pop in your pizza or veggies, hit a button, and let the microwave do its thing. No more soggy leftovers or overcooked meals. Cyber Monday has brought an exciting deal for the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Originally priced at $59.99, you can now snag this handy device for just $39.99, saving you a whopping 33%. You'll love the freedom this cordless blender offers. Its rechargeable base means you can whip up smoothies anywhere, anytime. The 18 ounces vessel is perfect for personal portions, and the easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink from the same container. During the Cyber Monday kitchen deal sale, you can purchase the CUCKOO 3-cup rice cooker for just $284.99, down from its original price of $429.99. That's a whopping 34% discount, saving you $145 on this top-notch kitchen appliance. You'll be amazed at how this little powerhouse transforms your cooking routine. With 15 different cooking modes, you're not just limited to rice. You can experiment with all sorts of grains and dishes. The induction heating technology ensures your food is cooked evenly and efficiently every time. Get ready for an incredible Cyber Monday deal on the Ninja Foodie 13-in-1 dual heat air fry oven. Originally priced at $283, you can now snag this popular air fryer oven for just $169.99, saving you a whopping 40% off the list price. You'll love the versatility this appliance brings to your kitchen. With 13 different cooking functions, you can air fry, bake, broil, and even dehydrate all in one compact unit. The dual heat technology allows you to sear and crisp simultaneously, giving you restaurant quality results right at home. This Cyber Monday, you can get the McCook 15-piece knife set for just $47.90, down from its original price of $129.99, saving you a massive 63% on this essential kitchen tool set. The McCook knife set offers a great balance of quality and value. You'll get a complete set of kitchen knives, including an 8-inch chef's knife, a sentoku knife, and 6 steak knives. The built-in sharpener is a handy feature, ensuring your blades stay razor sharp without extra equipment. Cyber Monday brings an incredible deal on the CAROTE detachable handle cookware set. Originally priced at $119.99, you can now snag this 11-piece set for just $59.99, saving you a whopping 50% off the list price. This cookware set stands out with its clever, detachable handle design. You'll appreciate how it maximizes storage space in your kitchen cabinets. The handles easily click on and off, allowing you to use the pots and pans on various cooking surfaces and even in the oven. This Cyber Monday, you can own the Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-piece set for just $129.94, down from its original price of $199.95, saving you 35% on this versatile kitchen powerhouse. The Vitamix hand blender brings the brand's renowned power to a compact, handheld device. You'll love how it effortlessly blends tough ingredients with its 625-watt motor. The 4-prong blade and 5-speed settings let you create just the right texture for your soups, smoothies, and sauces. Cyber Monday alert! The Kitchen Mama electric can opener is now on sale for $20.99, down from its original price of $35. That's a sweet 40% discount to make your can opening life easier. You'll love how this little device takes the hassle out of opening cans. Just pop it on top, press a button, and watch it work its magic. No more struggling with manual openers or worrying about sharp edges. It's perfect if you've got arthritis or just want to save some elbow grease. Cyber Monday shoppers, get ready for another sizzling air fryer deal. The Typhur Dome air fryer, originally priced at $499, is now available for just $329.99. That's a whopping 34% off, saving you $170 on this cutting-edge kitchen gadget. This air fryer is a game changer for your kitchen. Its dome-shaped design isn't just for looks. It helps cook food 30% faster than traditional air fryers. Imagine serving up 32 perfectly crispy chicken wings in just 14 minutes, or 2 juicy steaks in 8 minutes flat. This Cyber Monday, you can snag the Chefman Custom Temp Infuser Kettle for just $24.99, down from its original price of $34.99. That's a whopping 29% off. You'll love how quickly this kettle heats up your water. With 1100 watts of power, you can have boiling water in as little as 3 minutes. It's perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush but still need your caffeine fix.